what's up, YouTubers? This is Swede coming at you from Silver Lake, Los Angeles. And today we're doing a cool song, very nice song by Amy Winehouse. Valerie, come on. Alright, so it's a few different versions out there. This is the slower kind of BBC acoustic sessions she did. Alright, Cape 3, 1, 2, 3. Song is in C, C major 7. So grab 2nd fret D and 3rd fret A. Alright, but when I play the song, I like to put a lower note in the bass. So let's add 3rd fret E string and make it this kind of C. So 3, 3, 2. D minor. 1, 2, 3. When you play D, you can play the A string too. And you can use the first finger to add this note. That's kind of cool. 1st fret B. Okay, so this is the chords for the verses. Then we have pre-chorus F major. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's grab F like this. F major 7 to E minor. 1, 2. F major 7. And on G major. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Back to C major 7. Valerie. Valerie. Verse. Alright, let's go to the pre-chorus. F major 7. I add a thumb here too to add some bass sometimes. 1st fret E string. Cool. That's all the parts. Alright, so let's review everything before we end the lesson. C major 7. 1, 2. To D minor. That's the verses. 1, 2, 3. If you want to add this note in the bass, 3rd fret E string. And then pre-chorus. F major 7. E minor. 3 times and end on G major. Why don't you come over? Valerie. Alright, thanks guys for tuning in. Be safe. I'll see you tomorrow and rock on.